From 1 to 3 Pink Princess Philodendron in less than a month. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, since... kita mo yun? There's a new leaf coming out. Can you see it? There! There! Now that I have succeeded in propagating my Pink Princess Philodendron, I can now show you how it's done. I just started with one plant. Now, I have 3. It's already successful. It has a new leaf coming out. And this one, I planted it already. This was how she looked like when I bought her. She was tall and had a lot of big leaves. She has a few pink tints on her leaves, but that's fine. I really want to chop her up and grow more babies. She has a lot of aerial roots. We will cut under this aerial root. She will be my mother plant. Here's another one. This one we will grow roots in water. This one we will plant directly in soil. After 1 week, our mother plant has a new growth coming out. Then after 2 weeks, 3 new growths in our mother plant. After 3 weeks, the first growth in our mother plant opened up. We already have signs of life in the cutting we planted directly in soil. There are also more roots in the one we placed in water for propagation. So based on the results of our comparison, I can say that it is faster to grow Pink Princess Philodendron cuttings in soil than in water.